Alright, I'm back here at Merrill Avenue on the west end, and I've water jetted the line and was able to blow the clog out. I'm going to go down through here and show you what I found. It was mostly rust flakes in the cast iron line, and there's still some left in there, but it need to be pulled out from the outside with a descaler. Right about here is where it was clogged up before. You can see those little bits of rust scale there on the bottom. 4-inch cast iron. See, it's just a trail of little rust flakes. And the reason why that looks like a lot is because the camera's pointing straight down when I'm pushing it. It's still a good bit. I could probably get that flushed out from under here, but it may take me more than the original hour to do it. And there's problems in the yard, so I'm suggesting we don't try to spend that extra time, because we're going to have to jet it anyway after the repair. Right here, cast iron comes out and turns into 6-inch concrete. If we replace it, this would be where we replace it back to. We'd scour the inside of the line, get all the rust flakes out, tie in PVC right here. All right, as you can see that pile of, first it's a bit of an offset, and then a pile of rust flakes, and then down into a piece of PVC. Right there's part of what was in the house. All right, and I could blow that further down the line, but the problem we're running into is that you got a little bit of root growth right there. That little hump in the bottom of the pipe is roots growing in the bottom of the pipe there. And then we're going down, you'll see it happens at every joint. Well, that one there is not terrible, it's just a little bit of rust flakes, but there's roots there. That's what the rust flakes are building up on. And then here you can actually see the roots coming out into the line there. Rust flakes up around it. And then we got a pile of rust flakes again. And then back over here, you'll see that thing. It looks like it's got threads on it. It does. That is a cleanout cap. And I'd be willing to bet that it's the 3-inch cleanout cap that was supposed to go inside here. There wasn't a 3-inch cleanout cap in here. There was an old blow-up ball on there. I think maybe the cleanout cap got dropped down in the sewer. But this is a 6-inch pipe, and you can tell right there there's only 6 inches inside, and that's only about 2 inches worth of clearance at the top of the pipe. I'm going to go on past that, and then the line gets clear, and then right here is the 6-inch tap to the county. This is out by the fence out in the backyard, and then this line is clear, and then it runs into the main right here. That's the main flowing in either direction. That's kind of like a T-fitting. So my suggestion is that we come back to about this point right here and tie onto this 6-inch SDR pipe with 4-inch PVC, and run 4-inch PVC about 30 feet. Yeah, you can see that cleanout cap pretty good there. We marked this in the yard. About 30 feet back to this point right here. So we take that old Fernco off, scour the cast iron under here, get all the debris out of it, then tie on there and run about 30 feet or so to the fence, and then put in a 6-inch clean out at the fence. That will conclude my inspection, and I'll get you the report and estimate.